Today I'm going to teach how to make very easy origami fortune teller. This is a traditional model and I think it's very easy for beginner. Let's go! The important thing that you need is a square paper or origami paper. And this day I use a yellow paper. The steps to make a fortune teller's origami is: first, fold the paper in half diagonally. Fold like this. Unfold it when you are done. Do the same with the other side. Next, fold the four corners of the paper into the center. Like this. The bottom one, the right side, the upside and the left side. Ta-da! And should look something like this. And next, flip the paper over and we will fold the fourth center to the middle again. Like this. Doing like this. Fold again. And fold again like this. And the next step is we will fold the side horizontally, like this. And now, flip over the fortune tellers and tuck your fingers into the flaps. Like this. Wow, we are almost done. Here I am trying to fix it. The inner corner can look weird sometimes. It can use a pencil or fill out the inner corners. And ta-da! We're done! This is the fortune teller's origami. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!